I feel like my vanity needs to be cleaned out every few months. So today I'm tackling this drawer. I would like to organize everything by categories. I think the last time I did it, I think I did like stuff in one bin that I use the most and then stuff in another that I didn't use as often. I'm gonna take everything out to begin with. I just found my missing ID. I just found a full tube of a blush from Charlotte Tilbury. I know you're probably like, girl, it's been more than a few months since she cleaned that out. Honestly, no it hasn't, but I'm just like a really messy person. So yeah, this is how it is. I did clean my room today. I have 4 hampers full of laundry, and I got them all done today. So now this is the only mess that I have. Okay, time to start organizing this. Honestly, I'm just gonna dump it. Now I'm gonna go through and clean all my makeup. To be fair, this is always dirty. I cannot keep this clean. But like my other makeup isn't that bad. These on the other hand are disgusting. Okay, I have completely filled this drawer up. And this is all of the leftover stuff that I have. What I'm thinking about doing is getting another one of these to put on this side of my vanity. I know you're probably thinking, what's in the big tall drawers? I'll show you. First drawer is jewelry of every kind, all in here. This is random, so it's like nails, brand stuff, other things, knickknacks. This is other knickknacks. I've got some Touchland in here, vitamins, glue, just random stuff. This is all self-tanner. Love this drawer, my favorite. This is all my hair supplies. I have like clips, hair bows, brushes, combs. This is all my hair supplies. So hair dryer, straighteners, whatever. This is extras, so like extra beauty blenders, tape, fan I got from Mexico. These are trash. I don't know why I still have them. Getting down to here, I have makeup palettes, more makeup palettes back there. In here, oh, extensions. A brand also sent me those, how sweet. Like costume makeup and my whitening strips, which I love. So yeah, I guess I could call these like my junk drawers, but organized, you know? So I think I need another one just for makeup, like strictly makeup, because I'm getting sent more stuff and I have nowhere to put it. Like I already have these 2 shelves full of product. So let me show you the final drawer result. Foundation, powder, blushes, contours and bronzers, lip liners, brow gel, and these are highlighters. Until I get another one of these IKEA drawers, I'm going to order some more containers to organize the rest of this stuff. I just need a few more. And yeah, that was my little vanity tour. I feel like my vanity needs to be cleaned out every few months. So today I'm tackling this drawer.